Welcome back to ICS Capital. Today, we would like to introduce Palantir Technologies Incorporated. Palantir is a company that builds and deploys data analytics software platforms for commercial and government institutions. In the simple words, Palantir designs software to help the companies and governments counter-terrorism operations. The company has built 3 software platforms to serve their customers, which are Foundry, Gotham, and Apollo. Foundry creates a central operating system for organizations' data. This allows the users to integrate and analyze the data. Gotham enables users to identify patterns hidden deep within datasets. For instance, it signals intelligence sources to report from confidential informants, facilitates handoff between analysts and operational users. As a result, it helps the operators to plan and execute real-life responses to threats that have been identified within the platform. Apollo serves as a continuous delivery system that powers Palantir's Foundry and Gotham. It automatically delivers platform upgrades without any user downtime or human interventions regardless of environment. It was built out of the need for customers to use multiple public and private cloud platforms as part of their infrastructure. As shown in the pie chart, the main business segments of Palantir can be separated into government and commercial. The government segment is the main operating income of Palantir as it accounts for 56%. The business from this segment are usually the contracts from the government agencies such as the Federal Bureau of Investigation, U.S. Food and Drug Administration, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and United States Department of Defense. Whereas the commercial segment is accounted for 44% of the operating income. The business from this segment are contracts from the commercial organizations such as Airbus, 3M, Amazon, United Airlines, and Merck. From the pie chart above, we may also observe that Palantir business is well diversified as the business of the company is fairly distributed among the government and commercial segment. The demand for big data analytics, visualization, and business intelligence software are growing constantly over the years. Due to this reason, Palantir may capitalize the business opportunity in this sector to grow the company business effectively. It is believed that the demand for Palantir's product and service will increase as the demand for big data analytics is high. Palantir has benefited from the key secular trends such as mobility, data growth, and data movement to the cloud. It is known to be one of the top data analytics software service providers to some big government agencies. Due to the loyalty to several government agencies, this had helped Palantir to secure multiple contracts from the government agencies. Therefore, it is believed that Palantir will be securing more government contracts in the upcoming future. The main competitors for Palantir Technologies are Tableau, Splunk, Q-Link, Cognizant, and other data analytics software developers. In order for Palantir to stay competitive in the industry, the company has to be innovative by continuously reinventing to differentiate themselves from the peer companies. For this reason, it could lead to higher research and development costs. This could contribute to uncertainty around the company's long-term profitability, as they have to spend more in research and development to retain the customers. The total revenue of Palantir has been increasing over the years. However, the company has been recording losses. Despite the fact that the big data and analytics industry is growing constantly, it is observed that the industry has experienced declining gross margins and negative operating margins over the past few years. For this reason, it is believed that Palantir will be experiencing the similar trend due to the heavy competition in the industry. Unlike some of its peer companies, Palantir does not publicly disclose their pricing strategy. As a result, the lack of transparency leads to an unclear understanding of Palantir's offerings and how they compare themselves with the peer companies. As mentioned, more than half of Palantir's business comes from the government. Therefore, Palantir is associated with a significant amount of sensitive information from the public and government. For this reason, Palantir has additional responsibilities to protect the information from leakage and hacks. We will take a quick look for Palantir's financial analysis. The total revenue of Palantir has been increasing over the years due to higher demand for data analytics software products and services. As of the quarter of fiscal year 2021, the company's revenue has exceeded the cumulative total revenue in fiscal year 2020. It is noticeable that the operating expenses of Palantir is very high. This is because the company is associated with high R&D costs in order to stay competitive in the data analytics software industry. Due to high R&D costs, Palantir generates net losses in past few years, which also lead to negative return on equity and earnings per share. The current ratio of Palantir is at a healthy level. This indicates that Palantir has the ability to pay off its short-term obligations. Despite the company recording losses over the years, the cash flow of Palantir is still considered at a healthy level as the company has positive net cash flow. In conclusion, Palantir Technologies is a company with a potential business model. The company has been benefiting from the growing demand of the big data analytics. In addition, the company is also associated with providing service to different government agencies. It is believed that Palantir's business will be continuously benefit from the government and commercial segments. However, the company is also associated several potential operational risks such as heavy competition in the industry and data privacy challenges. Lastly, despite the fact that the company's revenue is growing exponentially over the years, the company has to convert the order books and revenue into profit. By now, I believe you have better understanding for the fundamental of Palantir Technologies. To contact us for any inquiry regarding investing in Hong Kong or US stocks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.